In this video, we will talk about TextBlocks. With Java 13, you can use TextBlock to define multi-line string literals without the concatenation operators and escape sequence. In TextBlocks, you can also control how the string is formatted. TextBlock is defined using 3 double quotes as the opening and closing delimiters. Example: so string starting with 3 double quotes and ending with 3 double quotes, and string is spread over multiple lines. Now let's code this example in IntelliJ. Now let's create a new class, new, and then Java class, and class name is Multiline TextBlock example. Now let's create public static void main, and let's define our first text block, string st1. So text blocks also starts with a string and 3 double quotes. And line is spread over multiple lines using text blocks. And let's print out our first text block. You can see that it printed out and it's kept the formatting, so it's in separate lines. Now let's look at the second example using JSON format. So string phrase is equal to, with 3 double quotes, employee Mike, employee ID 1001, and employee type full time. And ending with 3 double quotes with a semicolon at the end. And let's print this out. And the third example is with HTML string. So a string HTML is equal to let's start with HTML body, HTML tag, and then body tag. And paragraph, Java programming, and with body tag, closing body tag, and closing HTML tag, and then closing 3 double quotes with a semicolon. And let's print out HTML. Now let's run this example. So you can see that it printed out, kept the formatting when we printed out in JSON format, and then also with HTML. So inside here also we had double quotes for the Java programming, so it kept the double quotes also with Java programming. Now let's look into concatenation example with text blocks. So text blocks have the same operation just like all the string operations like concatenate and equals and others. So we can use the concatenation operation which is available in string, and this is my first text block. So I am concatenating hello world using text block, and then at the end I am appending, this is my first text block. And let's print this out. Let's run this example. And you can see that it appended hello world using text block. This is my first text block.